If you want to find more stocks like Nvidia, I'm going to teach you how to scan for these stocks before they break out. So this is how it works, guys. As you guys can see here, we reject off of this range right here, okay? But when the stock passes this range, all right, it's having a hard time pass this range, but when it does, it absolutely explodes. So to find setups like this, you want to open TradingView and you're going to go down to the screener option right down here, hit that. And then we're going to go index, S&P 500 only stock, guys. And then we're going to type in VOL, average volume. Click on that, add filter, go back to it, manual setup, and we're going to type in 10 million. So this is going to find stocks with a lot of volume that we can trade options with. So you're going to go over to this chart button here and then area, candles, and we're going to keep it actually on the 5-day chart. So what we're looking for is just the same exact setup I showed you. The stock rejects somewhere, and then we're gonna write that down. Okay, that's on my watch list, and we're gonna wait till we pass that level. So eventually we're gonna come back to this level. When we explode out of this level, expect a big move to the upside. Now it also works with ranges. All right, so the stock will go into like a certain range, and then if we explode out of that range, expect a big move. Just like, let's look at Apple right here. I'm gonna go over to the back to the chart. And then as you guys can see here, if we break out of this range right here, it is a huge range. Expect to see a big move to the upside. And then right as we break out of this range, I'm going to enter in about right here and just a big pop. It's really simple. Or it could go pop down. But currently we're in an uptrend and it's a bull flag, so most likely I'll be looking for calls. So what does this look like? A real example. This was Nvidia, like I showed you guys earlier. After we find the setup that's about to break out, a lot of bullish momentum coming to this level, we could see a breakout. We're going to head over to the 5-minute chart. So as you guys can see, this is the same exact range, all right, but except we're on the 5-minute chart. To add pre-market to your chart, this yellow part, you want to add this, go down to the settings down here, more session, and then extended trading hours. Hit that. Now you have extended trading hours. What we're looking for is a 5-minute momentum candle to break above this range. This is a candle with a big body with a little wick. As you guys can see here, we tried, but we didn't pass. It's because this is a resistance level. We tried again, but we didn't pass. But then we finally passed right here, and that is when I entered the trade. Right as that 5-minute candle closed, I put my stop loss just below the range, and we went ahead and we targeted pretty up here. And the reason I was able to top tick this, because on the way up we scaled out. We got in option contracts, 30% gain, sold half, 50% gain, sold another half, 70% gain, sold another half. Really simple, guys. And I actually trade live for free in my Discord. Here are the trades I called out this week using this strategy, guys. So if you